do that again? Get ready. Where's the button?
It's over here. Look.
Okay.
Oh, crud.
Take it over here. Take it over here so you can get her.
Alrighty. Hey, hello, you're doing the weather.
It's so staticky right there.
They're worn out.
But we need her on the screen, Steph.
Hold on.
Hello, Chandler Shulman with the weather.
But you want it on this.
I wanted to move.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
Hello. I don't know what to do.
Do that. I'm gonna. This is
Like
Chandler
Steve
Shulman.
Spreester.
I'm gonna give you the weather.
I don't suppose we're supposed to cross our channels that way.